Good morning, my name is Noah Kroner. Today's date is August 31st, 2021. We'll be looking at the weather satellite here. We can see that there is actually a lot of clouds to the southeast of California here. A lot of rain coming in around Arizona. We also have the California fires up near Lake Tahoe. We can see on the IR satellite in the early morning those really dark spots indicating where those fires are. Current field conditions at Meadows, we can see current winds are 090 at 4 knots with 5 statute miles of visibility, haze and smoke, clear skies, temperature 26 dew point 9, altimeter 2968. It's a pretty low altimeter setting. You can see that for the past 6 hours it's been decently low but pretty consistent, with the haze and the poor visibility somewhat of a trend. When we look at our forecast chart here, we can see that over Arizona there is rain and thunderstorms, along with over New Mexico some heavy rain and flooding potential. As for Bakersfield, we have a trough passing almost directly over us with a low pressure system to the southeast. If we look at the current air mets that are up right now, we can see that we have a IFR air met here off the coast of California, along with some thunderstorm SIGMETs down here in the bottom left of Arizona, along with just under LAX here. We can see a air met for thunderstorms, along with the tops. There's actually icing conditions that have been put here too, along with a lot of mountain obscuration IFR with all the smoke and everything that's up here. As for the TAF, we can see for Bakersfield, the winds are going to be variable at 4 with 6 miles of visibility, haze and smoke with few clouds. It looks like winds will pick up to 320 at 12, gusting 18. With some scattered clouds, and we might even see a broken layer as it progresses through the day. Over at Oxnard, we can see some overcast layers that'll start to pop up, but winds are going to be variable at 3. And then at LAX, they'll see some clouds too, progressing into some overcast layers. They have a broken layer at 1,200 feet right now. Or they will see that soon. If we actually look at our precipitation products, we can kind of look at our total precipitation here, see what we'll get here in California. If we jump forward in time a little bit, we can see that Arizona is really going to get the rain. Doesn't look like we're going to get much more than some trace here in California. In the next 6 hours, we shouldn't see anything, especially in Bakersfield. As for our winds, looking at Bakersfield here, we can see that later in the day around 19Z, surface winds will be around 320 at 8 knots. As we go to 5,000 feet, it'll be about 241 at 10 knots. And up at 10,000 feet, it's 325 at 13 knots. As for our temperatures, it looks like we can expect around 31 degrees. But as we climb up, it'll cool down to about 15 degrees around 10,000 feet. The winds as of about 2 hours ago, we can actually see that they were relatively calm. 104 at 5. As we climb to 5,000, it's 332 actually at 15. So we had stronger winds this morning, going as high as 319 at 18 knots at 10,000 feet this morning, but it seems like that's actually going to start to wane later in the day. Yep. That's it for today's weather. Please make sure to get an updated weather briefing before your flight, and have a wonderful day.